Hi, and welcome to my channel. Rudy Romo here. Today I'm going to be talking about why I believe Tesla is on the verge of achieving Fsd Level 5 and why I hold Tesla stock instead of playing the market. Many people use the term H.O.D.L, which stands for hold on for dear life. There's an old adage that a better strategy is time in the market, not timing the market. Tesla stock could go vertical at any moment because it has so many catalysts coming up in the near future. Later in the video, I will list these catalysts one by one. But first, let's talk about why Tesla is highly confident that Dojo will reach Fsd Level 5. Number 1, Tesla has the engineering prowess. Number 2, they have the real-world data. And number 3, Tesla has the computing superpower of Dojo. As a comparison to Dojo, let's look at what DeepMind Technologies was able to accomplish back in 2015 by using their AlphaGo Computer Program to train itself to play the highly complex Chinese game called Go and become better than any human. Not only was a computer able to learn, but it also played against itself millions of times, and it actually came up with new creative moves never used by humans. The Go game originated in China over 3,000 years ago. Winning this board game requires multiple layers of strategic thinking. Two players, using either white or black stones, take turns placing their stones on a board. The goal is to surround and capture their opponent's stones or strategically create spaces of territory. Once all possible moves have been played, both the stones on the board and the empty points are tallied. The highest number wins. As simple as the rules may seem, Go is profoundly complex. There are an astonishing 10 to the power of 170 possible board configurations, more than the number of atoms in the known universe. This makes the game of Go a Google times more complex than chess. The Google definition is 10 to the 100th power, which is 1 followed by 100 zeros. While this is an unimaginable number, there's still an infinite quantity of large numbers. The DeepMind approach. This is DeepMind speaking. We created AlphaGo, a computer program that combines advanced search tree with deep neural networks. These neural networks take a description of the Go board as an input and process it through a number of different network layers containing millions of neuron-like connections. One neural network, the policy network, selects the next move to play. The other neural network, the value network, predicts the winner of the game. We introduced AlphaGo to numerous amateur games to help it develop an understanding of reasonable human play. Then we had it play against different versions of itself thousands of times, each time learning from its mistakes. Over time, AlphaGo improved and became increasingly stronger and better at learning and decision making. This process is known as reinforcement learning. AlphaGo went on to defeat Go world champions in different global arenas and arguably became the greatest Go player of all time. Keep in mind, this was back in 2015. Computing has made significant progress since 2015. Here are some of the most notable improvements. Moore's Law. It has continued to hold true, meaning that the number of transistors that can be placed on a chip has doubled approximately every 2 years. This has led to a dramatic increase in the performance of computers. The development of new materials has allowed for the creation of faster and more efficient processors. For example, graphene is a material that is much faster than silicon. It could potentially lead to a new generation of computers. The rise of cloud computing has made it possible to access powerful computing resources without having to own your own hardware. This has made it easier for businesses and individuals to use computing to solve problems. The development of new programming languages and frameworks has made it easier to develop software. For example, Python is a popular language that is easy to learn and use. The growth of artificial intelligence has led to the development of new applications that can perform tasks that were once thought to be impossible. For example, AI can now be used to translate languages, write music, and even drive cars. Now on to Tesla's numerous catalysts. Please comment below if I miss any. FSD for Tesla cars alone. As you know, Tesla has been developing its FSD technology for years, and in recent months we've seen some major progress. For example, Tesla recently released a new version of its FSD software that includes a number of new features such as the ability to automatically change lanes and navigate through traffic lights and stop signs. But what's really exciting is that Tesla is now using its Dojo supercomputer to train its FSD models. Dojo is one of the fastest supercomputers in the world, and it's allowing Tesla to train its models on a massive dataset of driving data. This is giving Tesla a huge advantage over its competitors who are still using traditional computer clusters to train their FSD models. I believe that Tesla is on the verge of achieving FSD Level 5. This means that Tesla vehicles will be able to drive themselves completely without any human input. And when that happens, it will be a major breakthrough. Think about the implications of FSD Level 5. It will mean the end of traffic jams, the end of car accidents, and the end of drunk driving. It will also mean that people will be able to spend their time doing other things while their car drives them to their destination. It could also mean that the value of your Tesla going up 5 times to 6 times to $250,000 or much more, depending on the model. If that's not an incentive, I don't know what is. Major OEM FSD licensing. Another catalyst that could drive Tesla's stock price higher is FSD licensing by major OEMs. Tesla is already in talks to license its FSD technology to other companies, and I believe that this trend will continue. As more and more companies adopt Tesla's FSD technology, it will drive up demand for Tesla's cars and Tesla stock. Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is another potential catalyst for Tesla's stock price. The Cybertruck has over 1.9 million pre-orders and is still not even in full production yet. Once the Cybertruck starts shipping, it's going to be a huge hit, and that's going to drive up demand for Tesla's cars and Tesla stock. Smart energy storage revenue increase. Tesla's smart energy storage business is also growing rapidly. I believe that this growth is going to continue. As more and more people adopt solar and wind power, they're going to need Tesla's battery storage systems to store their energy, and that's going to drive up revenue for Tesla's energy storage business. Giga Mexico breaking ground. Giga Mexico is Tesla's new factory in Mexico. The factory is expected to start production in 2023, and it's going to be a major production hub for Tesla. As Giga Mexico ramps up production, it's going to drive up demand for Tesla's cars and Tesla stock. The release of Optimus Bot. Optimus Bot is Tesla's humanoid robot. Optimus Bot is still in development, but I believe that it has the potential to be a major product for Tesla. Optimus Bot could be used for a variety of tasks, such as manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. And as Optimus Bot becomes more popular, it's going to drive up demand for Tesla's cars and Tesla stock. In conclusion, there's a very high probability that Tesla is on the verge of achieving FSD Level 5. I believe this is just one of the many catalysts that could send Tesla's stock price vertical in the near future. As always, I hope this video sparks your curiosity, and if you're not doing it already, follow and research Tesla, the company, as well as the industries it is disrupting in a major way. In my opinion, Tesla has the potential to deliver huge returns and simultaneously is making this world a better place. And thanks for watching. If you disagree with any of my points or have any suggestions on how to improve my videos, please comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. My Twitter account, soon to be X, is @RudyRomo2.